promised y'all a story time on the YouTube community chat page about the time that I was on Fast and Loud. I got my 15 seconds of fame and then some. Basically, it started out as a producer approached a friend of mine and myself about reading some scripts off and seeing if we were basically good to possibly do a film or some shows or some work together on some TV show. They didn't name what TV show, didn't tell us who they were associated with. So basically we read off these scripts that they asked us to read off for. We kind of had an idea, but we had no real clue. So this is kind of the outcome of that. And I can't find the video or the episode. I don't know if they redid it and then uploaded it. This was circa 2018 when it had dropped on the show Fast and Loud. I can't remember the name of the episode. I've looked through, can't find it. So I'm not sure. I have the small clip that I'm about to play, which was actually taken from a cell phone on a computer. So not the greatest quality, but still interesting. They butchered it pretty bad. Said I was from Mobile, Alabama instead of Opelika, Alabama. I guess at least I spelled my name right, but still cool nonetheless. We didn't know it was actually on TV. I went to bed that night, didn't even watch Fast and Loud or anything like that. Woke up to about 13 text messages saying that I was on Fast and Loud. Didn't know that I was going to be on Fast and Loud. And yeah, so the next day I watched the rerun, took a small film of it. Can't find it again. So interesting. So here's the clip from Fast and Loud that I recorded. And then I had a small demo video still of that actual tape. So I'll include that as well. So circa 2018, way before the long beard and everything else. Obviously, it's still growing back in now, but yep, let me know what y'all think about the small clip in my 15 seconds of fame. Leave me some love in the comments. Oh, Holler episode was one of my favorites. My name is Hunter Goodliff from Opelika, Alabama. Richard, that Hypo Holler episode was one of my favorites. I was just curious, you gonna do another Hypo Holler or another Holler or another COE? Kind of like this international right here. What do you think? Should I leave Tino alone or should I make it shine like a diamond in a goat's ass?